I would
Wow.
hope we did not have any.
My favorite is like,
take a chemistry test.
yeah. My favorite is that
Good luck.
I'll post on the discussion board thing the link, and like every once in a while there'll be a kid from the class that goes, "Thank you so much. I loved watching this."
Who watches?
I know. I'm like,
Oh, so now you
oh.
don't. I just telling her now you don't have to post to see those.
Is
see
that like
what?
on every course?
Yeah. So it was. So it's for all. Well, no, it was.
Wait, when did that
something in
change?
It's just
statistics.
for statistics.
Oh, I was like, because when
oh,
did that change? Because my 201 class, I was
Yeah,
still.
So this is just for
I
statistics.
hate that because sometimes I'm like, well, I need an idea of like what to start
Yeah.
writing.
Yeah. But so
What the
a lot of like how that works, it's up to like the 3 people in charge of the course,
Yeah.
and so they're like we want it this way or we want it this way, and so.
That's annoying.
Yep. So still don't have a phone.
That sucks. What happened to your phone?
Yeah. Funny story.
Did Roman eat it?
No, Roman didn't. It was actually my boss who broke it.
Oh, fun.
Your boss broke your phone.
So like, so it was like, it was the night that we were doing. Is the night I texted you that I was gonna be able to make it.
Mm-hmm.
So it was like, because I was looking and everyone was just like, oh yeah, like, okay, we're meeting. Is this time okay? Yeah, we're meeting then. It's like, okay. So like literally, because it's just like right after that string of you and Hayden talking,
Yeah.
and I was at work, and my boss threw something. It hit me, hit my phone out of my hand, and it's concrete floors,
Oh,
like especially in the back. It's like
yeah.
I was just
Shattered.
so I just like sat there and looked at it. He's like, no. I was just like, it's like you're joking. I was like,
No, really.
and then he like walks around and like my screen is like all over. And he's just
Wait, like your screen like shattered and like glass
Yeah.
fell out?
yeah. So like I have a chunk out of this corner missing, and it's just
It's
like
like my roommate's phone.
yeah. So
Oh my god.
and like I just got it fixed, and he's like, I feel so bad.
Yeah, for real.
It's okay. Like I wasn't mad. I was just like,
You're just like, really?
well,
Yeah,
I
like
was just
great. I have to go home and
"Crap."
tell Sid this.
Yeah,
like
'cause I just finished getting it fixed. You know, we just paid $120.
Mhm.
And so then he's like, how much did your new screen cost? I was like, $120.
Is he gonna fix it for you?
I don't know. He's giving me money next week because he came up to me last night. He's like, I still feel bad. I was like, it's okay. Like,
Yeah,
I mean,
life
accidents
happens.
happen. Like, I know you didn't need to break my phone.
Mm-hmm.
He's like, I'll give you money next paycheck. I was
Yeah, sweet, thanks. I'll take it.
like, 'cause you like, I was looking at Amazon, like used ones are $250 for the iPhone 6.
That was an iPhone 6. Oh,
And I
you might as well
loved
just
it.
get a new 7. Like at that rate,
The new 7's like $700.
even with like a plan and everything.
Well, I just got this new one,
Oh,
and like in July.
dang it!
Yeah. So,
Dang it! Dang it! Dang it!
do you have who has this week's stuff for
Hayden.
Hayden? It's his, what is it? His make inference.
Yeah,
Action.
mine's take action.
Yours is take action? Then who's in charge of the PowerPoint?
I think I am.
Remember to include a table of all of our data.
Will do.
Oh, if you want to email me your stuff, I can just
Okay.
I can just make a new pie chart.
Yeah, I couldn't add it into the one that you made for some reason. Like it
Oh,
wouldn't let
really?
me add anything into it.
Yeah.
So
It's all right. Because like no one really filled out like their specifics, so
Yeah, that's whatever.
I
We
just-
don't need it, so it's fine. Okay, now let me pull up this quiz. Whoops.
All right, start quiz.
I did the first couple questions. I can't figure out 5 though.
I was gonna say 1 and 2 is pretty easy.
Well, yeah, usually those are pretty easy. But I can't figure out 5.
All right. What is on terms of height?
Okay, Idaho's not letting me on.
So question 3 is So would it be the third one down?
For what?
Question 3.
That's what I put.
It's not letting me log on. This is wonderful.
Sucks to suck.
Hopefully this one works. Okay, here we go. Let's see.
That freaked me out the other day when it came up and it
All
had
big?
like all the big boxes and I was
Mhm.
like, what is that?
Wait, what?
Like where
It,
it
like,
like
wouldn't
shows your
load.
grades on the homepage.
Oh, those aren't my grades.
No, but if you click on it, it'll tell you your grade. It
Oh.
like flips the box and it tells you your grade so you can see it on your homepage instead of like the old one where they were all just there at the same time and anybody could see them.
Oh.
So like it tells everyone you have an A+ if you look at it, but like if you click on it, it'll tell you your real click grade.
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't know what that was, and then my
Now I
roommate
wanna
showed me
see.
that, and I was like, oh, that's kind of cool. But it freaked me out at first. I was like, what is that on there for?
Wait.
Oh, click on the A+ part.
Okay. Now I'm curious.
What do I got?
So it'll tell you your grades,
Okay.
and then you can hide them.
I really like that. They should include the class.
At the when after you flip it. But I think that's nice because if you're failing your class, you don't have like a big red grade that everybody can see when you
Mhm.
sign in anymore.
That's
Yeah, you're
really
always
nice.
just
I
like-
learned too. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm failing this class. Don't look at it. Or it's embarrassing for the classes that you start off with a 0 and like you work up because
Work up,
everybody
yeah.
thinks you're failing your class like with like a 30% the whole semester.
Never
Like,
had that before.
no.
I would hate to have to work up to a grade.
It's awful.
I think 3 is the third one down. I was looking at the book earlier
Yeah, so that's what I picked too.
and it said, in other words, the independent variable x does not affect the value of the dependent y. The null and alternative are b1 equals 0 and b negative, or b1 does not equal 0.
Yeah, so then if you go down to the 4 hypothesis test for regression coefficients, it tells you what it will be.
Wait, where is that?
In 4. So
Like right here?
there. Yeah, so I was like, okay, that works. It tells me exactly what
Beautiful.
it would be. And then
Okay.
for 4, I put the third one too.
Mhm.
Difference between the observed value and the value predicted.
Yep, that's the one I just got.
And then 5 is the one.
A
that's
plot of
interesting.
residuals supports using linear regression when the residuals look normally distributed. The residuals are all positive. I think it's when you see a megaphone.
So it says if linear regression is appropriate, then the residual plot will show no pattern and will consist of random scatter. So the megaphone shape would be the one that has most of the scatter.
So the constants variance, how to check with a residual plot, no megaphone shape in the residuals. So then